Hey guys, it's been a while since I've uploaded. I was busy setting up my travel channel, Crispy Travels, to separate those videos from here. But that's all about to change as I've got a lot of new video ideas and products to share with you. So stay tuned. Today I'm unboxing my pre-order package of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra in green color. This is the Snapdragon processor version featuring 256GB storage with 12GB of RAM. Since I was able to avail the pre-order offer, I received a free leather case and Galaxy Buds Pro with my phone. I'll be making a separate video showing the first boot and setup process and have a few others planned with this phone, so if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay crispy.